Welcome! Join us to learn how to use and navigate ADOT Business Coach on Demand, ADOT's virtual business assistance portal for Arizona businesses seeking to take advantage of ADOT public procurement opportunities. ADOT's Business Engagement and Compliance Office listened to businesses statewide. They learned that businesses need 24/7 business assistance when seeking public procurement opportunities. ADOT Business Coach on Demand meets that need. First, begin by asking yourself, what do I need help with, or what guidance do I need? From this page, you can select Getting Started and Preparing to Work with ADOT and Other Public Agencies, Applying for Certification as a Disadvantaged Business Enterprise, or Registering as a Small Business Concern, Finding Work by understanding how to prepare for local contracting opportunities, including work as a prime contractor or consultant, subcontractor, trucker hauler, or materials supplier, preparing to bid, meeting contract requirements, getting questions answered by learning which ADOT departments can help, getting forms and other resources, and seeking help by becoming familiar with local business assistance services. What if you want to learn more about ADOT's DBE program or SBC registration? Select the Be a DBE SBC icon on the homepage. You will find a video explaining the intent of the DBE program and information guides on both the DBE program and small business concern component of the DBE program. The information provided on this page gives you the background you need to learn about the advantages of DBE certification and SBC registration. You will also find quick links on this and other pages that add more options for finding business assistance links and valuable information and resources on and off this website. The navigation pane on the left is another way you can access different information and topics within the website. You can also use the breadcrumbs at the top of the page to return to a previous section, and you can use the back button in your browser to return to previous pages. You can easily return to the home page or navigate to other key pages by selecting the corresponding icons at the bottom of a page or desired content in the navigation bar. Now, for example, let's suppose you are looking to learn about how to better understand bidding. First, find the Bid Jobs icon at the bottom of the page, or spelled out in the left navigation bar, or on the home page. Use one of the 3 navigation tools to find bidding guidance for ADOT contracts related to construction, bidding as a prime contractor, subcontractor, trucker, or supplier, architectural and engineering design, bidding as a prime consultant or subconsultant, and goods and services. For example, let's say you want to bid on a construction contract as a trucker. Click on the corresponding link to get all the information you need about bidding as a trucker and what requirements apply to truckers. Finally, let's learn what's important when doing work. This page helps you learn how to successfully meet contract requirements on each type of ADOT contract: construction, architectural and engineering design, and goods and services. For example, construction work varies depending on the role your firm plays in the contract. To meet subcontracting requirements, contract compliance may include general requirements, such as certified payroll, as well as requirements specific to DBE subcontracting. You will find similar types of information on meeting architectural and engineering design and goods and services contracts. If, for example, you are looking for specific supportive services open to DBEs, SBCs, and/or other small businesses, you will want to visit Seek Help. If you have any questions, you may use the Ask a Question link from the Quick Links bar, which allows you to email your questions to ADOT. You can expect a reply within 48 hours. As ADOT Business Coach On Demand houses a wealth of valuable information, we suggest that you visit often. You won't be disappointed. You've got questions, we've got answers. BECO, ADOT's Business Engagement and Compliance Office, facilitates access and equal opportunity for disadvantaged business enterprises and small businesses in federal transportation projects, and promotes a diverse workforce within the transportation industry. Compliance is our driver, and opportunity is the destination.